say, what your experience with AirCrete is, what you thought it was, whatever comes to mind about the workshop, the process. Anything you might want to share?
It was a great 2 weeks. I learned a lot about the AirCrete and how not to and what to do. How to keep a focused head when mixing it and have accidents. Met a lot of great people and got to finally build my first house. It was an awesome experience, and I'll be doing this in the near future.
If you're ready to align your body and actions with your mind and your spirit, there's nothing more powerful than building your own home and having no debt and having a solid foundation from which you can build your life and really focus it into what you want it to be. Something beautiful, something amazing, something ever new. And yes, I'm going to shamelessly plug our workshops. Whether you attend our workshop or someone else's workshop doesn't matter. But take the action, move forward, start making the real change in your life to truly step outside the matrix. We don't teach yoga, we don't do meditation at our workshops. Our workshops are aimed at physical, real-world, practical, get-it-done application. And with these skills, you're going to be able to move forward and get it done. You're going to be able to start building your house. So it's time to stop sitting on the fence. It's time to stop living the banker's dream, the American dream, and instead move into a position where you choose the terms of your life and you live it the way you want to, because you want to, when you want to. And there's nothing better than the first step of owning your own land and your own house that you've built without debt. It doesn't even have to be AirCrete. It can be conventional construction, which we can certainly teach as well. And so, if this resonates with you in any way, I would encourage you to click the link below in the description and find out more about our workshops. If you can't afford a workshop, put in a bid for whatever you can afford. This is about more than just money. I mean, actually, it's a little subversive to say that you can step outside of the normal way of doing the commercial life and live a life that's free and do it on your terms. And that's kind of what's behind all of this. If I can just get you unbound and unstuck from where you're at, where you have to work a job you don't like, where you have to make a rent payment, where you're so stuck watching the news and sports and being numbed out to your own life and what you can do and achieve, most of us give up on our dreams and we never move forward. We live in just an absolute stagnant place in life. And if you're ready to move forward and get out of that and actually live an amazing life, a life where you spring out of bed and you just can't wait to start the day because everything you're doing is exciting, new, amazing, and benefiting you, then there's nothing more powerful, there's no greater step that you can make to accomplish this than to get the skills and take the action and build your life, than to build your own house on your own land without debt. And yes, this is alternative building. So if you want your permits, if you want to live the American dream, probably just go get your bank loan. Go back to sleep and sit in a house that the banker owns for 30 years. But if you're ready to break that stranglehold on your life, click the link below, find out more. If you don't attend my workshop, attend someone's workshop. Move forward, make changes in your life. Because I promise you, it's worth the journey.